We'll guide you through how to install Unity. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Open any web browser on your computer. In my case, I'm just using Google Chrome, and in the search bar, just search for Unity and hit enter. Just go to the official website by Unity. And once you are on the website, look at the top and you'll see an option labeled as pricing. Just click on pricing and scroll down until you find option for Unity Personal. This is a free version and is perfect for beginners. Just click on download now and this will take you to the download page. Just wait for it to load and you will be asked to log in, and I'll just click on continue with Google. And after you have signed in with your ID, you will be taken in this interface. Just click on download Unity and your download will successfully start, as you can see. Just wait for the exe file to finish downloading. Just open the setup exe file by just clicking on it. And after that, you will see this license agreement. Just scroll down and read the license agreement, and as I have read it already, I'll just click on I agree. And you can choose your destination folder, and so I'll just click on browse and choose my destination folder. And after I have chosen my folder, I'll just click on install and wait for the utility hub to install on our computer. And after it is installed, click on finish. Now Unity Hub will open, and as you can see, our Unity Hub has successfully opened. So I'll just maximize it, and now you need to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, click sign in. If not, click on create account and your browser will open automatically. On the sign up page, enter your email address and create a password and fill in the required information and agree to terms. Then complete the verification if asked. Then click on create account. And once your account is verified, like mine, you must return to Unity Hub and click on sign in again and your browser will open. Enter your login details and you will complete the sign up process. Now we will install the Unity editor, which is main software used to create games. In Unity Hub, look for install editor at the left hand side. It will be labeled as installs and you will see install editor at the top right. Just click on it and you will see the official releases. You will see a list of Unity versions. It is recommended to choose a stable version, and I'll just go ahead and show you how to install this long-term support Unity 6.3. Click on install. Just click on continue and make sure you have ticked the I have read and agree the above terms and condition and click on install. Now our installation will start and you can preview it in the downloads. This may take some time depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Just click on continue if prompted. And it will even suggest you to install some of the programs. Just choose the one to your liking and click on install or install while downloading. I'm just gonna skip this for now. And as you can see, our installation has been successfully completed. Once the installation is finished, you will see the installed version in the Unity Hub. Now we are ready to create a project. Let's go to the project tab on the left hand side and click on project. And click on new project on the top right, and you will see different templates on this all tab. And for beginners, select something simple like Universal 3D, and you can give your project a name by just clicking on your project name, and I'm just gonna name it as GuideRealm. And you can choose your location. I'm just gonna choose a location. After that, click on create project. Unity will now start creating a project. This may take a few moments and it will even ask you to confirm. Just click on I have read and agree and click on agree and continue. Wait for it to finish. And once it finishes loading, the Unity editor will open and you will see your main space with panels like scenes, game and hierarchy. This means everything is set up correctly and you are ready to start building your game or project. You can now explore the interface, add object and start learning how utility works step by step. Thanks for watching GuideRealm and check out our next video, and I'll see you in the next one.